How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get white teeth, step-by-step tips. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So if you guys look, I am drinking coffee right now. Coffee stains your teeth. Coffee makes your teeth pure yellow. If you look at my teeth, they are pure white. So how does this work? All my friends who drink coffee, their teeth are pure yellow. My teeth are pure white. Literally, look. You can see my teeth are pure white. So how do I get my teeth white? I do what's called oil pulling. Oil pulling is the simplest way to get white teeth. It's better than anything the dentist does or any of these white strips or anything like that. All you have to do is get 2 tablespoons of olive oil and swish it in front of your teeth like this for 30 seconds and spit it out. Do this once when you get up in the morning and once right before going to bed. You do this within 3 to 4 days, your teeth are going to get a little bit whiter. Within about a week or 2, they'll be pure white. I do this every night right before going to bed and it works. It is amazing, you guys. It does work. I highly recommend it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.